Day 134. Today, I noticed something unusual with one of my pumpkins. This one had been growing very well. It was big, firm, and promising. But now, something has changed. The color is no longer that deep, healthy green. It's turning yellow, dull, and slightly weak-looking. And this matters because in pumpkin growth, color change is often the first warning sign. Is it still developing or failing? At this point, I decided to remove it from the plant. This is not always an easy decision because the fruit looks big and you expect it to mature. But keeping a failing fruit on the plant can actually do more harm than good. Something was not right, so I decided to cut it open to understand why it was yellowish. And this is what I found. The inside is brownish, the seeds are dark and discolored, and there's a frothy substance present. This is a clear sign of internal breakdown. The fruit had already started failing from inside. This can happen due to several reasons. First, incomplete or poor pollination. The fruit begins to grow, but the internal development is weak. Second, microbial activity, bacteria or fungi entering and feeding on the fruit tissues. Third, plant stress, especially when the plant carries too many fruits at once. When this happens, some fruits appear normal outside, but are already decaying internally. This is why visual appearance alone is not enough. When growing pumpkins, pay close attention to color changes and texture.